Imagine a world where junkyard treasures become roaring, tire-smoking machines. That's the wild universe of rat rod builders, pioneers who transform scrap into speed and style. One of the most legendary figures is Ed Big Daddy Roth, famous for merging insane creativity with homebrewed engineering. Roth's fiberglass creations and hand-built frames inspired a generation to see artistry in rust and raw power. Another icon, George Barris, brought a mad scientist's touch, blending old Ford parts, found objects, and custom paint into drag strip legends that still captivate enthusiasts. But it's not just about famous names. Across America, backyard tinkerers weld, hammer, and bolt together their own rat rods, using whatever materials they can find: truck frames, stove knobs, tractor seats, even scrap metal. Their secret? Ingenuity over expensive parts. Rat rods aren't polished, they're raw, rebellious, and built to race. Builders use torch-cut frames, repurposed engines, and creative hacks like chain-link steering wheels or license plate floors. Each ride is a rolling testament to DIY spirit, the thrill of speed and the enduring love of turning rust into roaring machines.